So does this game have any game to it? Oh crap. I guess it does. We have found some game, and I've got a rupee. Can I do anything? Okay. There we go. I have a attack of some sort. It apparently is blowing dust. That's my attack. L and R don't do anything. Nothing on the pause menu. Oh, here we go. What's this? A boomerang? I like that better than blowing dust, so... Since when did Raptors shoot sonic waves out of their ass? You know what? These cavemen are protected against aliens with their weird, like, tinfoil hats. There are raptors that shoot shit out of their ass. But not just any shit. Sonic waves. Like, freaking Guile's sonic boom going on here. No! No sonic boom for me! Oh, hell, you hit me with your sonic boom. We're collecting rupees. We have Zelda's heart piece system going on here, too. Oh my god, that creeps the hell out of me. I thought I could stand on it, but apparently not. So let's go back through all these sonic boom shooting freaking raptors here. Try not to die. These alien paranoia cavemen people. Stop shitting sound at me. Seriously. You are a creepy motherfucker. God damn you. I think I have to get on him when he seeks. I was correct. This thing creeps me out so much. I hate this thing. You know, that was stupid. I thought he was going to have to switch, but he didn't. No, we're not doing that. We've already been over there twice. Okay. And I have... What the hell just happened? Get in that pit. You belong in the pit. Get in the pit. Or die. That works too, I guess. Hey, an accessible door. I wonder what's in here. I just took a doorway from Toe Jam and Earl, and it led me to a fat gorilla, which is in fact a mini-boss. Shit. So this one spits at me. I'm gonna lose this battle if I don't freaking be careful. Let's try the dust blower. Well, that didn't work for me. I've only got 2 more telephones, or whatever the hell that is. And you're not dead yet. What the hell is this? Did I just win some sort of weird robotic egg? It blew up! I didn't even get anything for that. I just blew up a robotic egg. Okay. Whoa, what? Okay. I see. So apparently Jesus is beyond that futuristic barrier there. You want to talk to me now? No, you don't. And I don't want to play this game anymore myself. So, yeah. I am done. Oh, what the hell is this game about? Seriously. Jesus Christ.